channel. So we're clearly in Mone's closet, as you guys can see, and I'm sure I told you guys that I am going to be doing an organized video, organization video, organizing my closet. As you guys know, obviously I have a lot of clothes, and I order a lot of clothes, or I get a lot of clothes, and I cannot simply keep them all. I cannot. I either sell them, I donate them, or well, pretty much either sell them or donate them, right? And so my closet, it just gets so cluttered at times that it's just unbearable. Now, you have to check out my vlog channel. I'm sure by the time you guys see this video, my video of me doing this side, I should have told you. I believe I have. But anyway, I share a closet, well, actually share a room with my kids, okay? The whole story is over on my vlog channel if you're interested, but we all share a room, okay? And it's just for the time being, you know what I'm saying? It's an uncomfortable situation in order for me to get comfortable later on in life. So we're just gonna bear with it, okay? But anyway, so imagine sharing a closet with a 3-year-old and a 14-year-old, okay? So it's a lot that goes on in this closet, and it's always messy, all right? So on my vlog channel, I did organize this side, okay? So I have all the organizers that I use for my son. This side is his, and then this side and this is mine. And there's like a little section for my daughter because she don't have a lot of clothes at all, and she's very tiny, so she doesn't take up a lot of space. So if you're interested in seeing the side of this side of my son portion, it's over on my vlog channel. It was a whole entire mess, and we end up cleaning, well, I end up cleaning it all up. So now we're going to clean my side and a little bit of my daughter's side, because I bought an organizer for her. I bought the closet hanging organizers, which is these things right here. I brought different sizes because clearly your girl is of size, so she needs more, and she needs bigger sizes. And I'm just gonna go through clothes that I'm actually going to keep. The clothes that are in my closet are clothes that I'm actually keeping, right? Whenever I put it in my closet, it's clothes that I'm going to actually keep. However, I need to condense it a little bit more because it's getting out of hand. And also, it's a lot of clothes that I have that's behind the camera that you guys can't see that I planned on selling anyway. And I just haven't gotten to doing that, have not put them on my website. That takes a lot of time. I have to take pictures, get all dolled up, take the pretty pictures, and advertise them. So it's a lot. So I have not done that yet. I need to, because I have a lot of items that need to be seen, okay? So that's going to be something completely done later within the week. But for now, I'm just trying to do step by step. So I need to really condense all this stuff and really organize it down to having space in my closet, okay? Again, if you don't follow me on my vlog channel, please do. It's a lot of content over there. I'm gonna be doing a lot of grocery hauls today, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of content as far as groceries. I'm gonna be doing the Tabitha Brown. I want to take some of her items. She now has vegan food or vegan items in Target. I want to learn how to make a charcuterie board. Like, it's just a lot of stuff. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, follow me on my vlog channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of content today. And then also follow me on my social media. It's going to be a lot of different reels going on. So yeah, your girl's she's just out here in these streets, getting her content together. But let me stop talking and get this organized, okay? Okay, so before I get started in cleaning up, I wanted to give you guys a closer look. And also, disclaimer, it is, it's Saturday, so my child is at home. So if you hear her all across, the video, then yeah, it's real life over here. But so I want to give you guys a closer look at the closet. So I try to kind of keep it organized. My what is this? What is this? What is that? Just sweatshirts. There we go. Or hoodies. There we go. So I was trying to keep my hoodies right here in this little section, and then my cardigans in this little section, my t-shirts, all of my jeans, and then dresses and maxi dresses and stuff like that. And then here were all of my coats and jackets and all of that. This I just threw up here because I didn't have no space over here. So I just threw this up. And then this section was kind of my daughter's section a little bit. And then down here, I have a lot of Tupperwares. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to find something to do with these Tupperwares. I really don't want to keep them in here but I don't know. And so this is also my covers and my sheets and stuff. Back there, I think it's a box full of what is it? My mailing stuff. So when I was selling my dresses, which I still have some available, I had a lot of packages here, shipping, you know, packages or whatever. And behind here is a lot of, oh, I forgot I bought these. So I bought these just to put some stuff and organize this top shelf. So it's a lot. It's a lot going on. It's a lot. So yeah, it's a lot. So I'm gonna do my best to really get this. And then, God, that's like all my filing stuff and my paperwork, important paperwork and documents. That is an old sleep apnea machine, CPAP machine or whatever. And then that's my daughter's bag and some other bags. So I don't know. We'll get all this situated, and yeah, so let's go. Okay, so let me show you the progress thus far. I am loving this thing. Okay, I'm just loving this. Okay, so I want to say about halfway done. I do got clothes on the floor. These are clean. I just needed somewhere to throw them. There's some garbage, and then look at my bed. Okay, I hate cleaning out my closet. I really, really do. It just ooh, I hate it. Excuse my loud fan. I'm hot. That's my daughter's bed. Okay, whatever. Anyway, so this is where I'm at. So far, so good. I'm going to take like my glasses and stuff and put like little small items here in this section. I have one more of these. And I'm going to actually put my dresses in that pile thing, the 3 shelf organizer, whatever. And then I'm going to try to move some of these because this is really heavy, and I already have these heavy things at the top, so I don't want to. Listen, in my old house, my closet caved in. I had too much stuff at the top, and it caved in, and I was so pissed. And it caved in a couple times, so I said I will do my best to avoid that, because that is, if you had your closet cave in and everything fell down, you know how tedious of a process that is to clean up. So this is really heavy, so I don't want to put that much weight on top of here. So I want to put these jeans, these are all jeans, I want to put them down here because I don't have anything heavy on top of here. So if I put it down here, it won't weigh, you know, anything down. So I at least need to move probably this side. And I also want to hang I want to hang these over there. So yeah, I'm gonna try to move all this stuff. And oh, and I'm gonna put my hats and stuff in here. So I'm so glad I bought these. Listen, oh, I forgot to mention if I didn't or not. I'm gonna put all the links down below, of course, of where I got all this stuff from, in case you're thinking about doing anything like this. Don't worry, I'll put all the links down below. And let me finish. Okay guys, I am finally done after hours and hours. Listen, my back hurt. Okay, my edges are sweated out. My hair is just a mess. It's just been a lot. Girl, I gotta give her a bath. Anyway, listen, I'm finally done. Well, you have to take a bath. Girl, go. All right, so it's a lot going on back here. I finally condensed it, and yeah, so let's just take a look. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so look at my clothes. Okay, she wants me to show you guys her side. That's her little section, because she doesn't take up a lot of space. This thing keeps falling. Okay, so let me just give a brief description. Okay, so as I said before, this is my son's side. I did this on our vlog channel, so go ahead and check that out. But this is his side. It was a complete mess. So I organized his side. Right now, my side here, first of all, anybody who knows me, or I've said it before, I hate clothes, I hate laundry, I hate folding, I hate all of that. So this is the best you're gonna get. It's not the most neatest, okay? And forgive me, I hate dealing with clothes. I really do. Oh God, I hate it. So I try my best to fold them. I didn't put them in like a specific order. I just kind of put like t-shirts and leggings and like dress casual pants, my cardigans, my hats, my glasses, and just little knick-knack stuff here. I put my sandal shoes here. These are tops, more leggings, I believe, and tops, more tops. My very thin maxi dresses, and then just whatever could fit in there. I put my purses up here, and then my shoes down here. That's my mattress there. And then I am going to get rid of these here just for now. I just kept them there. I wanted to keep this open. I really would love to get rid of this so this whole space can be open, but I had nowhere to put these. These are my hoodies and stuff, and my other cardigans and stuff like that. And I didn't have any more organizers, so I did what I could. But if you guys remember, I had a white, it was like a 6-drawer layer thing white jewelry box or whatever. I threw all that out, threw the jewelry that I really don't even wear. I threw it out and just condensed it into this jewelry box that I have. And it's really cute. I'll of course link it down below, but it's really cute. I just have like my necklaces and earrings, and you know, I didn't listen, this wasn't like organized and neat. It was just organized, put it in one place, let it look like something. Okay, just don't judge me. These are all my lashes. I had them in the box. Again, shop with me. It's on my website. I took them out and put them in here. And then I have books that I still need to read. And then I just put my little neck fan. I just threw it in there. And again, that's my daughter's stuff. Her clothes are dirty right now, so I gotta wash her clothes, and then that'll be filled. These are dresses that I didn't have any room for. So pretty much this section here and this section here, I didn't have enough room to put or have any more organizers, you know, to put them in. So I just had to keep them hanging. If I can put everything, every piece of clothing in an organizing shelf, I would, because it just makes it so much more neater, and I love it. Oh, down here are my jeans, and then here are my dresses. Shop with me again. I have my dresses by Mone on my website. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the closet. I did what I could. I tried to straighten up a little bit up there, and yeah, I kept my boots and stuff, even though I was thinking of putting my boots away, because to be honest, I'm in Texas. Like, it gets cold, but not enough for me to be wearing some thigh-high boots. So they're just sitting there pretty much. I think I've worn the black ones a couple times, but that was it. Other than that, yeah, I don't pretty much wear them. So yeah, this is it, guys. It's not the, you know, neatest, okay?
This is my hair.
But
Mommy, this is my hair, okay?
Okay, Mama.
I put water on it.
You put water in your doll's hair?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Listen, it's not like the neatest, right? You know, I wasn't here trying to fold things and be so neat, but I don't know if I did already, but I'll try to insert what it really looked like on my vlog channel. I'll maybe put like a little video here. If I edit it right, you should see a video right here of what it really looked like in the very beginning, when even when I was on my vlog channel, the very beginning, I, you know, shot everything before I cleaned it up. It was horrible. It was horrible. You couldn't even see the floor. So this looks so much better. I'm so proud of myself, and I hope we can keep this together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of content. If you guys want to see more, then please let me know and comment down below, and make sure you turn on your post notifications and all that good stuff to be notified when your girl posts her videos. And until then, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.